Daddy, which one we have to push?
I don't know. There you go. Just push this one.
Okay.
You see?
You went backwards.
You have to push the knobs. Yeah. You see this? Push this one down and forward. Okay. Push with your thumb. You see? Push with your thumb like this. Do you see?
Uh-oh, back it out. Now pull it. Now do the other one, and it'll come back to you.
If you
You
push
can push the other one, it'll
if you
come
pull
back
it
to you,
if
Peter.
you pull it, it'll come back to you.
Now do the other one, it'll come back. Stand right there.
Just stay here and
Do
bring
the
it
other
back.
button, it'll come back to you.
Pull it. Pull this one backwards. Pull this
Pull it
one.
toward
Do you
you.
see? Pull it towards your stomach.
Oh, be careful.
Uh-oh.
Don't make an accident.
Push it forward
Look at
and go to
Edna.
the door.
What's these?
That's the sensor that senses it.
Yeah.
That just senses how to do it. This has something to do with it, right?
That's
You
the
have-
antenna, yeah.
Antenna. You have to have those antennas.
Okay.
Last year, you know, all Pasha talked about was wanting a Dodge Ram truck.
Yes.
Dodge Ram truck.
You
I mean,
see?
we even teased about, you know, naming. I mean, Lucy wanted to name
You have to push the button. Push the button away from you, Adol.
it.
Push it away from you. Push the button away from you, and it'll go forward towards Daddy. Now the other button. Push it. Push it.
Oh,
No, that's pulling it. You need to push it.
Push it away from you.
Push it away.
You can bring it to
Push
you
it
by
towards the
pushing
piano. There you go. There you go. Exactly right. Uh-oh. All right.